Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's make egg fried rice. It's a popular Chinese dish made with cooked rice, scrambled eggs and variety of vegetables. It is a comforting dish that can be enjoyed as a standalone meal. The most time consuming part of making fried rice is chopping the vegetables. But once your veggies are prepped, the dish comes together quickly. Here I have taken French beans, cabbage, carrot, capsicum, spring onion greens, chilies, onion, garlic, and eggs. Begin by heating oil in a pan. Add the eggs. Season with black pepper powder and salt. Scramble the eggs until they are cooked. Set the scrambled eggs aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, add chopped garlic and saute on high heat for few seconds. Add chopped onions and saute. Now add chopped beans, green chilies, carrot, capsicum and cabbage. Saute on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt. Now add the cooked and cooled basmati rice. The rice should be cooled before adding, or ideally use a day-old rice stored in the fridge. Add the scrambled eggs along with soya sauce, black pepper powder and chili sauce. Gently mix everything together. Finally, add a splash of vinegar and mix well. Garnish with chopped spring onion greens. Enjoy your delicious egg fried rice. If you like the recipe, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.